If you want to change home screen wallpaper on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, first of all, we're gonna open Settings. Now once you go to Settings, then in here we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to Personalize. Next, you can tap on the lock screen, and you should be able to see both lock screen wallpaper and the home screen wallpaper. But here below we have a couple of options that we can choose from in order to change the wallpaper. Let's say I'm just gonna stick with the curated images in order to change the wallpaper and choose one. Of course, over here at the top, we can switch between lock screen and home screen, but honestly, it doesn't really matter that much. We can just tap on more wallpapers, no matter which option is selected. And then in here, we can try to find the wallpaper that we want to set up. Of course, you can also choose the wallpaper that the photo that you want to set as a wallpaper if you have it saved on your phone. And let's say I'm gonna choose perhaps this wallpaper over here. And as you can see, we have the preview for lock screen and home screen, but we are interested on the home screen only. You can of course tap on the home screen or lock screen wallpaper to make some adjustments, like you can zoom in and zoom out. You can move the wallpaper around, and then we can tap on this check in the upper right corner. But once you're ready, just tap on Set Wallpaper here in the upper right corner. Now, since we want to change home screen wallpaper, I assume that only for home screen we want to change it. So I'm gonna uncheck the lock screen option in here, and I'm gonna tap on Set. And there we go, now we should have our wallpaper changed on the home screen. Leave a like and subscribe.